After reading the content for this week, some things I learned and found interesting was in Chapter 1 of Tavor, which were the three major settings related to language use in the classroom, which are first language classroom, bilingual classroom, and English language classroom. I did not know that there were different kinds of classroom settings for the different kinds of language use. I think it is important in making sure children learn and develop appropriately, so making sure children are learning in these settings is essential. It is said that children should attend first language in early childhood education settings and should not be exposed to second language settings before elementary school, because children are more susceptible to losing their first language. We don't want our students to forget their first language or start trying to learn in English without knowing the language. That is only going to set our students up for failure, and we want to make sure that our students know that their first language is important and not something we want them to forget. The three settings gives the students the opportunity to slowly learn a new language. This is important in teaching a child a new language because if we just throw a child into a class with just English speakers, teachers, and students, we can't expect them to learn and develop appropriately. I liked reading this in this week's readings because it is a central part in teaching English language learners. That is my reflection for this week.